In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact HubSpot support, whether you're using a free or a paid account. Navigating the support options available from HubSpot can make a significant difference in solving issues or getting the answers you need. So let's dive right into it. First and foremost, everyone, regardless of their account type, should head over to https://help.hubspot.com. This is your primary resource for accessing HubSpot's support and assistance. It's like a digital library filled with information tailored to all kinds of questions or issues you might encounter. Once you're there, you'll notice a handy search bar. This is a powerful tool at your disposal. Type in any topic you're curious about or a problem you're experiencing, and you'll be presented with a wealth of articles, detailed how-tos, and guides. This resource is meticulously curated to help you troubleshoot common issues on your own, offering step-by-step instructions that are straightforward and easy to follow. It's a great first stop because many answers you're looking for might already be detailed here, saving you time and effort. Now, one of the best features of HubSpot's support system is the HubSpot community. If you find that the articles and guides don't quite address your specific issue, joining the HubSpot community is an excellent next step. It's an interactive platform where users just like you come together to ask questions, share experiences, and provide advice. You can post your question or browse through existing discussions to find similar cases and solutions offered by peers, and sometimes even by HubSpot experts who frequent the forum. Engaging here can yield valuable insights as you've got the collective experience of countless users working with the same tools. Remember, the community isn't just for troubleshooting, it's a lively place where users often share innovative ideas on how to get the most out of HubSpot's features, offer feedback, and even get news on the latest updates and enhancements. So there you have it, a straightforward way to leverage HubSpot's support options effectively. By using the Help Center and participating in the community, you are equipped to tackle most challenges that come your way. Don't hesitate to utilize these resources fully. They're there to help you maximize your HubSpot experience, ensuring you get the support you need precisely when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating HubSpot support.